everyone, this is Rohit and welcome back my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So if you are new in this channel, so please subscribe my YouTube channel for more updates. And today I'm going to show you how to work on the multi-factor authentication in Salesforce. So please watch this video until end and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt. So let's get started without any further delay. Okay, so here you can see I already logged in my org. Here you can see. Okay, so before these things, so let me go first setup, and you have to search under the quick find like session setting. Under the session setting you have to enable that things like this one, session setting, and after that you can see here under session security levels like multi-factor authentication high assurance. So it should be like this one. Okay, so without this one you cannot access this multi-factor authentication, right? So just I already enable this multi-factor authentication here. Okay, so just leave it as it is, and now you have to search like permission set. Okay, like permission, and here you can see permission set. Just click this permission set and you have to create your permission set. So I already created one permission set, so let me explain that permission set here. So just click M. So here you can see MFA for user. So I already created this MFA user, so let me explain how to create this. So this is a new permission set, and you have to go first in system permission. Just click this system permission and you have to search like multi. Yeah, so here you can see multi-factor authentication for user interface login. So just click this one and you have to enable this one. Okay, so I already enable. Here you can see this one. Okay, and just enable this one and you have to go like manage assignment after that. Okay, and once you go this manage assignment, so you have to choose that user or which user you want to access this permission set, or you want to give this permission set to particular user or not. Okay, so based on your requirement you can choose this one. Okay, so it's taking some time. I hope. Click this permission set. I already created permission set. So here you can see, just click manage assignment, and here you can see manage assignment under my name Kumar Rohit. This is system administrator, so I already assigned this user for this permission set, right? So let me use this MFA for user permission set in your org or my org. Okay, it's working or not. So let me check with this org is working for me. So before that you have to use this application in your mobile, like from the Google Play Store, right? So if you have Android or iPhone or something like that, so you have to search this application like Salesforce Authenticator, right? So you have to install in your mobile this application. Without this application you cannot enable, or we can say that we cannot access this application, right? So I already configured these things, so let me check this is working for me or not. So here you can see view profile, right? So you have to log out here, log out from here. Okay, after the logout you have to log in again. So let me log in. After the login you can see a new window like check your mobile device. So you have to configure this application in your Salesforce. So simple way, just open your application and just click add account. Under the add account you have to use this paragraph. Some paragraph is there. Okay, so you have to enter this paragraph under here, one text box. So I already configured this devices. Okay, so just you have to approve this one. Okay, so you have to approve this one. So let me refresh again and just let me check it's working for me or not. Okay, so here you can see I approved this application, and you can see here right green icons. If you approved in your mobile, like approved option is there. Once you click this approved, so you can directly logged in your org without any credential. So this is MFA, multi-factor authentication. Okay, so let me show you again. So just log out here and again you have to log in this org. Okay, LWC recipe and just click this, and here you can see one screen like check your mobile device. So let me check my mobile. Okay, so here you can see it's asking some authentication from my side. Okay, so I got it some approval message, so just click on the approve. Once you click this approve, so you can easily logged in here, this green icon. I successfully logged in here, right? So you can easily log in without any credential like username and password. Okay, without username password you can log in here. So this is the way to working on the multi-factor authentication in Salesforce. So I hope guys you like this video, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt for more update like this, and please work with this implementation. It is very important for us if you are working as an admin. Okay, and please subscribe my YouTube channel Salesforce Hunt, like, share and comments. So guys, bye bye, see ya.